who's smoking cigars? So TikTok goes, what's your problem? And he goes, I don't appreciate it. And he goes, well, get out. So they get into a pissing match. So what Tom Jones does is tells one of the sergeants. So one of our sergeants tells TikTok, you can't smoke it in here. We really don't want a problem. So now TikTok wants to beat his ass. We had to stop him like 3 or 4 times from going next door. So one day, I guess his nicotine fit kicked in and he got so mad, he got up and he went next door into Vice. Well, Tom Jones isn't working and he starts asking around, where's his desk? Where's his desk? Grabs his IBM typewriter, opens the window and throws it out the window into the back of PSA 7.